Before you fly your drone for the first time, there are 7 simple things you should do first. Most beginners skip at least one of them, and that's usually when problems start. Missing even one could lead to crash, signal loss, or ruin first flight. The good news is that all of them just take few minutes to check. Let's start with number 1. Fly lower first. This is your safety check. For your first flight, keep the drone low and hover for a minute or two. Make sure all controls are responding properly and everything feels normal. If something goes wrong, it's much easier to land or disarm the drone while it's still close to the ground. Once you know everything is working properly, it's time for the next check. Imagine your drone crashes in a place you can't easily reach. That's exactly why you should choose a large open area for your first flight. If something goes wrong, you will be able to get to the drone quickly and safely. Also make sure there aren't people walking nearby. As a beginner, you want as much open space as possible so you can fly safely without putting anyone at risk. Now let's talk about the battery, because one bad habit can ruin it much faster than you think. Before takeoff, make sure it's fully charged. A healthy fully charged LiPo battery should be around 4.2 volts per cell. During the flight, keep an eye on your voltage. It's easy to get distracted when you're having fun, but don't ignore the battery warnings. Once your battery drops around 3.5 volts per cell, it's time to land. Flying too long can damage the battery, make the cells puff up, and reduce its lifespan. Now if you miss the next few checks, there are much higher chances of crashing your drone even if you have done everything we have covered so far. The next one is screw tightness. A loose screw can back out during flight, and in worst case, a motor or propeller could come loose. So before every flight, quickly check that all screws are tightened properly. If a screw can still turn easily with your tool, tighten it a little more. Just don't force it too much. Next is your solder joints. Before you fly, gently tug on any wire you soldered and make sure they are secure. Also check that no exposed wire ends are touching each other. This might seem like a small thing, but vibration during the flight can expose the weak solder joints. A wire can come loose, touch another components and cause the short circuit. That's the kind of problem that can end your flight instantly. The next check looks simple, but it can save you from a sudden power loss in the air. I'm talking about the XT60 connector. Make sure connector is fully plugged in and secure before every flight. Also secure XT60 and any loose battery wires with your battery strap so they can't move during the flight. If those wires get into the propellers, they can get chopped off and your drone can lose power instantly. Ever seen a drone flip over instantly on takeoff? In many cases, the motor or prop direction is wrong. Before you fly, double check that every motor is spinning in the correct direction and that each propeller is installed in the right motor. 2 motors should spin clockwise and other 2 should spin counterclockwise on opposite corner of the drone. One mistake here is all it takes for the drone to flip the moment you arm it. I remember my first flight was way scarier than it needed to be. I hope your first flight goes better than mine. See you in the next one.